Hello everyone, my name is Divya and I am excited to share my experience as data science intern at Unified Mentor. Over the course of this internship, I had opportunity to work on 10 diverse and meaningful projects, ranging from coffee sales analysis, movie recommendation system, climate change modeling, to credit card fraud detection. I gained hands-on experience with data pre-processing, machine learning algorithm, time series forecasting, and data visualization using tools like Python, scikit-learn, and Excel. Every project challenged me to think critically, solve real-world problems, and apply theoretical concepts in practical way. I would like to sincerely thank you, Unified Mentor team, to continuous support, guidance, and the amazing learning environment. This internship has strengthened my foundation in data science, boosted my confidence to pursue career in this field. If you are someone looking to start or grow your career in data science, I highly recommend Unified Mentor. It's a great place to learn and grow. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Looking forward to staying